Imagine you wake up on a normal morning. The sun is shining. The world is alive with noise, cars, birds, people rushing to work. But far above us, in the silent darkness of space, something unstoppable is coming. A giant asteroid, 10 kilometers wide, racing toward Earth at 70,000 kilometers per hour. We see it too late, and in just moments, everything will change. Welcome to Beyond the Sky. If you're fascinated by stories like this, don't forget to subscribe to us and join our journey into the unknown. As the asteroid enters Earth's atmosphere, the sky ignites. From the ground, it looks like a second sun, brighter than anything we've ever seen. Within seconds, a deafening roar shakes the air, windows explode, car alarms scream. People look up in terror, some frozen, some running, but there's nowhere to run. Then, the impact. The asteroid slams into the ground with the force of billions of nuclear bombs. The Earth rips apart. A blinding flash covers everything. If you are within hundreds of kilometers, you never even feel pain. You vanish instantly in the explosion. The ground shakes like the entire planet is an earthquake. Mountains crumble, rivers boil, entire cities disappear in the first instant. A shockwave races outward faster than the speed of sound. Buildings collapse like toy blocks. Glass shatters. Humans and animals are thrown to the ground. Even thousands of kilometers away, the air pressure crushes lungs and bursts eardrums. But the horror doesn't stop there. Chunks of molten rock blast into the sky, raining fire across continents. Forests ignite, skies burn red. The entire world becomes a furnace. Imagine standing outside. Suddenly, the wind is hotter than an oven. You can't breathe. The air itself is on fire. If the asteroid hits the ocean, the water explodes upward in waves taller than skyscrapers. A wall of water rushes toward the land at hundreds of kilometers per hour. Whole coastlines vanish, cities, villages, millions of lives, swallowed in minutes, and then silence. The blast is over, but the real killer is only beginning. Ash and dust rise into the atmosphere, covering the planet in a thick blanket. Day turns into night. The sun disappears for months, maybe years. Crops fail, temperatures plunge, animals starve. The planet freezes while firestorms rage below. We call it an impact winter. If you survive the first blast, life becomes a nightmare. Electricity grids collapse. Food runs out. The air is thick with smoke and poison. Every breath hurts. Every day is colder. Governments fail. Cities turn into ruins. And humanity begins to vanish just like the dinosaurs once did. You look around, and the world you knew, gone. Friends, family, homes, burned or buried under rubble. Silence replaces laughter. Darkness replaces daylight. Years later, when the skies finally clear, the Earth is unrecognizable. Forests grow where cities once stood. Animals slowly reclaim the land. Human history, our art, our technology, our entire story, reduced to ruins beneath the soil. And maybe, millions of years later, some new intelligent species looks at our bones and wonders what happened to them, just as we wonder about the dinosaurs today. An asteroid impact is not just science fiction. It has happened before, and it will happen again. The only question is, when? Until then, we can only imagine and prepare. This was Beyond the Sky. If this story sent shivers down your spine, make sure to subscribe for more mind-bending explorations of science and the universe, because sometimes the most terrifying stories are the ones that could really happen.